In this session we're going to learn about the Create button. Who can use this feature? Users with the creator role or greater. Creating content is as easy as clicking a button. The Create button allows you to create different types of content in Panopto. This documentation explains what each option allows you to create. Launch Panopto. If you have Panopto installed, you can launch it from here. Record PowerPoint, video, and audio presentations on your Mac or Windows PC. Upload recordings to your Panopto site to share with students and coworkers. Remote Recorder. Automatically record and upload PowerPoint, video, and audio presentations on Windows PCs. Schedule recordings in advance on your Panopto site. Panopto for Windows Live on USB package. Panopto for Windows can be launched from a USB drive without an installer. This package is intended for admins to create pre-configured USB memory sticks for guest presenters and lecturers. Panopto will record in the application folder on the USB drive, but the recordings will not upload unless Panopto is running. Panopto Capture allows a user to easily record audio, video, and screens or applications. A user can access Panopto Capture directly within their browser instead of downloading the desktop application. Upload Media. This option will allow you to upload audio files, a single video, or multiple videos up to 100 at once that will create new Panopto sessions. In Panopto, you will learn how to upload your video files to create new, individual Panopto videos either via drag and drop or the Create button. Note: to upload multiple video and presentation files that you want to combine and turn into one video, you will need to use the Build a Session feature in Panopto. If you have access to schedule automatic recordings using a remote recorder, you can schedule recordings using this option. The Panopto remote recorder allows you to schedule a video session to start and stop automatically without needing someone to be at the recording computer. In Panopto, you can learn to schedule a single or recurring session. Playlists allow videos within your Panopto site to be presented in a single, ordered list even if those videos exist in different folders. When enabled, any user with creator access to a folder will have the ability to create playlists in that folder. In the New Folder option, you will create a new folder on the server that you can use to keep videos organized. In Panopto, learn how to view folders to which you have viewer or creator access, how to navigate within folders, and how to access a folder settings. You can now take your video presentations to a whole new level by using Panopto for all your lecturers at the Central University of Technology. Feel free to contact the e-learning department if you have questions. Thank you.